Swapping tokens on the bitoftrade couldn't be easier. The process of swapping on the Polygon Network is very similar to exchanging tokens on the Ethereum network. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to swap on the Polygon Network via bitoftrade. 1. Go to the trading dashboard by clicking on Start Trading. 2. Connect your Ethereum wallet and choose Swap on the trading dashboard. 3. Choose Polygon on the network drop-down menu. 4. Set your trading pair by searching for a specific token by token name and choosing how many tokens you want to trade. 5. Click Confirm and you'll see your transaction summary, including all estimated fees. If it's the first time you swap a certain token, you'll first need to unlock it. 6. Accept the terms and your MetaMask wallet will open automatically. 7. After approving the transaction on your wallet, a progress bar will appear on the widget and it'll disappear after approval. 8. When the transaction is finished, you can see its status in the Transaction History section at the bottom of the page, as well as the new tokens in your wallet. 9. Once finished, go to Polygon Scan to see your transaction details on the Polygon blockchain.